Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the mean value theorem for integrals.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. F of x equals a negative 3 times 2x minus 6 to the 1/2 power on our interval from 3 to 5. And we want to find the average value of the function on this interval and the value of c's that satisfy the MVT. Well, first let's go find f of c, my average. F of c here. Well, f of c, our formula tells us it's 1 over b minus a, so 1 over 5 minus 3, times the integral from a to b, 3 to 5, of our function. Negative 3 times 2x minus 6 to the 1/2 power dx. Well, simplifying this, 1 over 5 minus 3 is a 1/2. Multiply that, what's the integral of our function? Negative 3 times 2x minus 6 to the 1/2 power. This comes out to be a negative 2x minus 6 to a 3/2 power. And we want to do this from 3 to 5. Well, 1/2 stays up front, multiply it out here. And we plug 5 in for x first. When I plug 5 in for x and simplify into our function, I got a negative 8. Minus, when we plug 3 into our function and simplify here, I got a 0. Not too bad. From there, 1/2 times, well, a negative 8 is left over, and that comes out to be a negative 4. So negative 4 is the average value of the function. The first part that we need to find. Well, now we want to find the values of c here. So I want to find, well, take what we know of f of c. F of c here, I'll take my function, plug c into it. Not too bad. Negative 3 times 2 times c minus 6 to the 1/2 power. It's just substituting c in for x. But the average value we found, f of c, is this whole thing. We found to be negative 4. So we now can set it equal to negative 4. And it's just algebra at this point. I divide both sides by negative 3, and I have a 2c minus 6 to the 1/2 power is equal to a positive 4/3. I square both sides to get rid of that 1/2 power, and I'm left with 2c minus 6 equals a 4/3 squared. 4/3 squared is a 16 over 9. I add a 6 to both sides, and I got 2c equals a 70 over 9. Divide both sides by 2, and c comes out to be a 35 over 9, which is equal to 3.8, repeating. So 35 over 9 is the value of c that satisfy the mean value theorem. Right here. Alright, so our two values, our average value of the function is a negative 4, and the value c that satisfies the mean value theorem is a 35 over 9. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.